Hello everyone. It's been a while since I've done a video, so I decided to hop on today. I'm going to just do a glitter ombre with the epoxy method. So I've already mixed up my epoxy, and I'm just going to put a light layer over it first. You don't want to put it too thick because otherwise you're going to get slick spots when you do your glitter. And my lighting may not be that great right now. The sun's shining through the window and it's bright, so I had to block it. And I am using today KS Resin. I started trying this one out. I like it. Pretty shine to the cups. Get a lot of bubbles, I think, compared to photoresin. But nothing that I haven't been able to pop out. With the torch. And I buy my torch off of Amazon. Alright. So let's get this good coating all over. In my paint job, I decided, I usually, for my ombres, or any glittering, just try to match up the colors on the paint, the base coat. Makes it way easier. Doesn't have to be the exact color, as long as it's close. Something that's kind of helps to fill in if there's any missing pieces. And you can see this cup is probably not the best paint job ever. And I'm using my Hobby Lobby turner. Alright, I think we got it everywhere. I'm going to zap it with the torch, get some bubbles out. Good enough. Alright, and the colors I'm using today is Devil's Prada, the chunky mix glitter from Glitterazzi. Just found those over the Black Friday holiday. Awesome glitter. Bought a bunch from them. That one, first time using it. And then I'm going to use Monica. It's like an opal Monaco one I think it says, maybe 7, from Peachy Olive Glitters, POG. Alright, I'm going to start with the top, because I'm not going to go all the way down with it yet. You always, if you're new to making tumblers and glittering, always put a piece of paper or something to catch the glitter. You need a piece of paper basically for each color, so you can dump back your glitter into your container. You don't want to waste glitter. It'd be very costly. Alright, sorry, I had to stop for a moment. Clear up some space on my phone. It's a pretty color. This first time both of these are new colors to me. Just bought them. My first purchase from POG and my first purchase from Glitterazzi, and I'm so happy. Alright. It's going a little bit too far down, but we'll see. Alright, now let's do the red chunky. Chunky can be a big old pain in the butt, but there are a few tricks you can do to get it to lay down. Bottom before I start working on the ombre. Alright, so let's just do it. Oh no! That wasn't good. Oh, I can't glue it either. Oh well. Alright. Hopefully, our little oopsie there, picking up the wrong glitter, doesn't mess up the stuff. So on this one, you probably get away with just dumping it like this. Alright. That's where my oopsie was. I'm going to try to cover it up. Alright, so on chunky glitter, you need to pat it down. You don't want this stuff sticking up, or you will be epoxying and sanding for days. Okay? You can see where it's sticking up. And it'll take you a good bit, and then make sure especially the bottom rim, oh my gosh, which is always a pain to get kind of smooth anyway. Chunky makes it even a worse nightmare. So try to get it down, and you really should be doing with this glove, but I got it. Okay, let's fix this. Yeah, for the most part with chunky, you're not really touching glitter anyway. I mean, not touching the epoxy, patting it down. But if you have any kind of reactions to epoxy, use a glove. keep letting it go around. Taking the time now to flatten it will save you a ton of time in the long run. Anyway, I'm going to try to take a little bit more up here, see if we can get some to stick. There you go. Not really bad with a chunky glitter over a light color. And you can play with it and get some extra popping up. There you go, easy peasy. Anyway, easy peasy. Like and subscribe, and I'll be putting out more videos as I can. It's been crazy with the holidays and orders, and you know how it is this time of year. So, hope you liked it. Hope it was easy enough to follow. Appreciate it. Like and subscribe. Thanks.